sources again. Shiv Sena Legislative Party meeting to take place today, again at 4 to elect their leader. Before that, meeting of few Shiv Sena leaders underway at the Taj Lands End Hotel. Shiv Sena MP Naresh Muski has arrived for the meeting is what we know. Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena also in a huddle. They're chairing a key meeting at a hotel in Mumbai where key decisions will be taken about how the Shiv Sena is going to move ahead as far as this alliance is concerned. Vidya, I think nobody is making a secret of their desire really to ensure that the leader of their party then gets the top job in the state of Maharashtra. Eknath Shinde would want to continue as the chief minister, and Shiv Sena really making fair amount of noise rather about it, isn't it?
Well, the Shiv Sena is very clear that, this last election was contested on the leadership of Mahayuti's, leadership was led by Eknath Shinde, who as chief minister had given the performance based on which this entire results have been procured by the Mahayuti. And this is not a result just of the BJP, but also of the Mahayuti, which is all done well. And in fact, so well that this is what is being termed as a tsunami in Maharashtra, the politics of the state. And that's one of the reasons why, Eknath Shinde, and remember also, it was Eknath Shinde who had pushed for Ladki Bahin Yojana and the Ladka Bhau Yojana, which according to most of the political pundits, this was the reason why the people in Maharashtra voted so much for the party. And since the Mahayuti alliance has come into the power, Eknath Shinde is taking his claim not just for the fact that he has worked for the last 2.5 years, but also for the sheer fact that, this entire projects after the Lok Sabha debacle were put out by his government. By him specifically, this idea was mooted, and since then, when it worked as a miracle for not just his party but also for the Mahayuti. And that's one of the reasons why, if you draw out a PowerPoint presentation, for Eknath Shinde, that these would be the bullet point on which things like that, why it is advantage Eknath Shinde, and that's one of the reasons why he's seeking that he be made the chief minister again. However, this entire decision really depends on all the three parties, not just on the Shiv Sena, and that's one of the reasons why I'm right now at the BJP, residence of Fadnavis, where hectic meetings are underway. There are MLAs coming to meet, congratulate. Apart from that, of course, the fact remains that there are core committee meetings and other MLA legislative party meetings that will be held right here of the BJP as well. And the party workers of the BJP are demanding that since this is a huge number that the party has managed to get, so there should be a chief minister from the BJP. So of course each of these three alliance partners seeking that their party chiefs be made the chief minister, but it will really depend after all, because they really need to keep the flock together. It will really depend on the parliamentary board meeting that will be held later today or tomorrow, which will ultimately decide who the chief minister of Maharashtra will be.
All right, Vidya, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. We're coming back to you again for more on that big story. But this is the Shiv Sena's legislative party meeting at 4 today. All sides in a huddle to discuss the way forward. We have more news coming in.